When you're trying to break into a new field like digital marketing, there are a few challenges that you'll face when trying to get a job. It's a highly competitive market, which means that you have to really stand out from all the other people who are applying for the same job. Your lack of experience means that you have to prove yourself to potential employers. So today, I'm going to give you 5 tips that will help you land your first digital marketing job. Tip number 1, build a portfolio. This could be anything like a website, a YouTube channel, an Instagram page, really anything to show that you know what you're talking about. These pages will act as a sort of digital resume to show employers that you've put some work into actually applying the knowledge that you've learned. Recruiters and employers get tons of applications, and a portfolio will set you above all those other people that don't have one. You can use free sites like WordPress to make a blog that showcases your work. There are also template websites like Copyfolio, where you can make something that's really polished, showcases all of your work in a nice packaged up website. Every time you speak with a potential employer, they're going to want to see a showcase of your work, and a portfolio is the perfect way to show them. Tip number 2, network. In the previous video, we talked about how important your LinkedIn profile is. When you're on LinkedIn, you want to connect with other people in the industry. You can reach out to recruiters directly, and you can leverage recent training that you've had, like Course Careers. Send recruiters a message on LinkedIn asking to connect with them and just say, hey, I'm a recent graduate of Course Careers digital marketing program, and I was just reaching out to see if I was a good fit for any of the positions that you have open. And recruiters are trying to hire people. They get paid commission for each person that they hire. So they want to hire you. You just have to prove yourself. They just need to know that you exist. So if you have a strong portfolio and you show some drive by reaching directly out to them, they'll be happy to help you out. Let recruiters do the work for you. They already have a full network of different companies that are looking to hire people for your role. By reaching out directly to a recruiter, you increase your chances of getting in front of these companies. If you went through a program like Course Careers, reach out to alumni who got hired. They did the exact thing that you're trying to do, and even by just talking to them, asking for advice, oftentimes they'll be happy to help. They might even get you into contact with their own hiring manager. Networking is all about getting as many eyes as possible on you. You want to make yourself known to recruiters and hiring managers. Engage with the things that they're posting on LinkedIn, and just show them that you genuinely care about what they're talking about. Okay, tip number 3. Target companies in your niche. It's much easier to talk about stuff that you already know and are passionate about. It's a lot easier to put work into things that you're passionate about as well. Leverage your current skills and interests. Every industry needs marketers, whether you're interested in books or video games or beauty or fashion, any of it. Everybody needs marketers. So you can look for companies within your niche, and when it's time to interview, it's going to be way easier to talk about those things as they relate to digital marketing than it would be if you're applying for an industry that you really have not much knowledge about. Writing highly customized cover letters is also much easier when you're familiar with the topic that you're talking about. A good cover letter is a way to pitch yourself beyond your resume, and it's a great way to be able to land interviews. Tip number 4, specialize. Digital marketers need a diverse skill set. You do work in writing, graphic design, funnels, SEO, video editing, and just understanding business as a whole, among many other skills. But it's always better to be an expert in one field than to just be a jack of all trades generalist. Being a generalist is awesome for your own personal work, but specializing is going to set you above generalists in the eyes of a company. Companies are more interested in hiring experts in one field who has a fundamental knowledge of everything versus hiring a generalist who's just okay. So specialize. Pick a discipline that you're really interested in and just learn everything you can about that specialty. I'll make another video covering more in-depth different specializations within digital marketing that you can go into. All right, our 5th and final tip for today. Take every interview you can. Even if you feel unprepared for an interview, just do it. You'll get a better sense of the types of questions that an interviewer will ask in a field that you don't have a whole lot of experience in. This is why applying for jobs, even ones you're not 100% interested in working for, is still going to be beneficial. It'll get you more comfortable with the language of a digital marketer. It'll give you more confidence when it comes to further interviews. Even if you fail miserably, you learn a lot. It's better to fail on an interview for a company you didn't really care about than to bomb one for a job that you really wanted. So just get out there, take as many interviews as you can for all different types of companies, talk to lots of different people, just get comfortable being in front of others, and that's it. If you follow all 5 of these tips, it'll greatly increase your chances of getting a job. Be persistent, don't give up. Trying to get a job is a full-time job in and of itself. So just remember, persistency is key. If you want to expand your digital marketing skill set and knowledge, check out Course Careers' digital marketing program. They cover all of the fundamentals. They'll help you with career prep. There's an opportunity for job placement, and you'll be investing in a skill set that will serve you for years to come. If you're interested in signing up for Course Careers, you can click my affiliate link in the description or the pinned comment of this video. That helps me out a lot. If this video was helpful for you, drop a like, leave a comment, and consider subscribing. Good luck with your job search, guys. See ya!